Your DNA is like your barcode. It is a language that is translated into functional proteins. So every feature of yourself is pre-programmed in your DNA, like the color of your eyes, the color of your hair, curly hair or not. There is a certain code for it. And this code is read out and is produced into proteins that actually do the function. But it could be that due to genetic misprogrammation, there could be some mistakes in there. That means that the protein is not functioning as it should be. Where it should normally function 100%, it would only work 50%. You see? So that means that your body could use some support by adding extra of this protein, or by making the DNA not work harder, but to make sure that the gene expression levels that translate into proteins, that it comes back to the 100% level. Let's say it like this. So that is what we do with the skin as well. We look at certain skin biomarkers that are responsible for collagen household, for antioxidant production. And we see whether you have mutations or not. If you have mutation, that means it's not working 100%. So what we could do is then, by using the right cosmeceuticals, trying to influence the gene expression levels.
Particular things.
Things, so that we can bring the level up to 100% or work on another biological pathway to compensate for it. But in either way, we will compensate for the defect you're having.
Yeah.
So that's the idea.
These biomarkers is something like skin elasticity, rosacea, or something.
The skin biomarker in this case is the mutation. It's a single nucleotide polymorphism. So in your DNA, it's a code consisting of nucleotides. I'm not sure if you ever heard of it, but it's like A, G, C, and T. Those are the only 4 letters that your DNA consists of in a certain order. And so the scientists know what is the, by default, the right order of nucleotides. If you have a certain G where it should be a T, for example, they know this is a mutation. So these are the little variations in your DNA that we will look for, because we know if this is the nucleotide on that specific spot, it will result in an accelerated risk for aging or an accelerated risk for dehydration, like these things. So that is what we learn from the DNA.
Yeah. You find these mistakes.
You find them, you look for
and then you translate them into what is this mean?
And what does it mean? But also what is very important is your lifestyle.